Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make swan towel origami. First I need two same size towel. Now I am folding the towel to find the middle bit. Now I'm gonna hold tight the top middle and roll it very tightly and make it like a cone. And make sure it has to be very tight, otherwise you can't make swan shape. As you can see, my towel is in cone shape now. Now I'm going to take another towel the same size and repeat the same process again. Now bend the towel backward and forward to make the shape body and face. For wings, I'm gonna need two hand towel and fold it backward and forward. Now I'm gonna put the towel back of the swan. Now I am making another wings and repeat the same process again. As you can see, my towel swan origami is done. Hope you guys like it.